Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can create viral faceless videos with the help of Fliki AI. Fliki is one of the best AI video generators available on the internet, and people are using this tool to create videos and go viral on YouTube. After watching this video, you will be able to do the same. But first, if you haven't signed up for Fliki yet, make sure to use the link in the description below. This is the dashboard of Fliki. Now, click on the New File option. Fliki offers options for video, audio, and design creation. We will try all three one by one, so let's start with the video. First, you need to name your file, select the language, dialect, and aspect ratio, and then hit Submit. Next, on this page, you will choose how you want to create your video. You can create it with the help of idea prompts, scripts, blogs, PPTs, tweets, and more. Let's proceed with the Idea Prompt option. Enter your idea prompt for the video, then select the maximum duration for the video. You can create videos ranging from 30 seconds to 3 hours. For this tutorial, we'll make it short, so let's select 1 minute. Next, choose whether you want to include stock videos, images, templates, or AI media for your video. We'll select stock media videos and then click Submit. This brings us to the editor for video creation. On the left side, you'll see all the scenes and customization options. Let's go over these features one by one. First, we have the background audio. The Auto Pick option automatically selects the audio that will sync with your video. You can hide a scene from your editor by clicking the Hide icon. To delete a scene, click the Delete icon. The plus icon allows you to add a new scene to your video. To edit any scene, simply click on it. You can customize the text in this box and download your voiceover using the Download button. To change the voiceover, click the Voiceover button and a list of available voices will appear. Select your desired voice and click Select. On the right side, you can control the volume and speed of the voiceover. You can also enable or disable subtitles, and there are customization options like alignment, font style, font size, display style, background and font colors, and more. You can even set animations for subtitles. You can apply these settings to all scenes by clicking the Apply button. Now, click on Scene 1 inch on the left. Here, you'll find customization options related to text, media, picture-in-picture, avatars, shapes and audios. Let's move further into the video. Click on the Media button. From here, you can adjust the height, width, alignment, radius, and opacity of the media. You can also set in and out animations. Next, let's explore the Avatar option. Click on the Avatar button and an avatar scene will be automatically added. You can select a stock avatar, upload your own, or generate one by providing instructions. After a minute or two, your avatar will be created. If you want to regenerate it, click on the Regenerate option. For this video, we don't need an avatar, so let's delete the scene. Just like before, you can customize all settings for each scene. Play around with the settings until you create a video that suits your needs. Once your video is ready, let's move on to the final steps. Click on the Settings option to customize the gap between scenes. Let's set it to 0.2. You can also adjust the video ratio, which we will set to landscape. You can enable or disable transitions and fade in, fade out effects. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save. Next, click on the Magic Create option. This opens a list of options you can create using AI, like ideas, scripts, blogs, and PPTs. Once everything is set, click on the Download option. Select the resolution and format, then click Start Export. Afterward, click Download File to save the video and you're done. Now, let's proceed with the audio creation. Start by naming your file and selecting the language and dialect. Choose the script option and hit Submit. On the next page, paste your script into the text area. You can also summarize the script by clicking on the Summarize option and selecting the duration. You can set the duration up to 15 minutes, but for this tutorial, we'll choose 30 seconds. Click Submit and within seconds, the audio will be generated. This will take you to the editor, where you can customize scenes similarly to the video creation process. Once you're satisfied, adjust the gap between scenes to 0.2, click Save, and then hit the download button. Select the format and export the file, and your audio will be downloaded. Lastly, let's create a design using Fliki. Click on New File, then select the Design option. Name your file and click Submit. Start by setting the aspect ratio, which we'll set to square. Then, click on the first scene and choose Media. You can select stock images or generate your own media using the Generate option. Once you've created your media, click Use this image to add it to your design. Now, input your text. Customize the fonts, sizes, and colors as needed. This is the final design. Click the Download option, select the format, and click Export. Then, download your file. Now let's go back to the dashboard. You'll see all the content you've created here. On the top left, click on Account. From here, you can manage various features. The Credits option allows users to purchase additional credits for premium features. Fliki also rewards users for referring friends or writing reviews. Connect your social media accounts, submit your review, and you'll receive your rewards within 3 days. In the Profile section, you can fill in your details and manage email notifications. The Teams option lets you create a team on Fliki and work together, with one account managing payments for all team members. Fliki also offers a voice cloning feature that lets you clone a voice by uploading a sample. The Affiliates program allows you to earn commissions by referring new users to Fliki. After signing up, verify your email and you'll be good to go. The Trash option acts as a recycle bin. Finally, let's talk about the upgrade plans. Fliki offers 3 subscription tiers: the basic plan for individuals, the standard plan with more tools for growing businesses, and the premium plan with advanced features for large enterprises. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. That's it for this video. Fliki AI is your go-to platform for easy, engaging content creation. Make sure to follow along using the link provided in the description below.